Hello, friends. This is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here from Ludhiana, Punjab, and I'm coming to IDA Thiruvallur branch this Sunday, 7 p.m., to discuss and deliberate on the topic of importance of customized form in customized consent form in dentistry. So we all know what importance does a consent form carry in today's medical legal times, if I may say so, because medical legal cases are cropping up every now and then in almost all corners of the city, all corners of the country, especially the metros and the semi metros. But what actually makes them important is that these forms have to be a part of every clinic. What we can search on the internet to copy from someone, if I can say, we get a consent form, that is the body of the consent form. The important thing is that each consent form has to be customized. The top and the bottom has to be customized as per the patient. What is the importance of that? What all aspects we need to cover in that? What has to be there at the top or the bottom, and how quickly we can make it. I just deliberate on the importance of the same. So I hope you all catch me live in the Zoom session. For those who are not able to, you may get a recording later on, but it is always better to catch live and actually get a hold on all your queries, what all have been in your mind. So you all know my CV. Dr. Raghu Ganesh and your branch officers have already forwarded the same to you, so I won't waste much of time in telling you about my CV. But yes, my credentials actually for this backup from National Law School of India, University NLSIU Bangalore, and it is one of the premier most law schools of India, which actually gave me my postgraduate diploma in medical law and ethics. So see you all this Sunday live 7 p.m. on Zoom platform. Be there, don't miss. Bye bye. Take care.